Welcome back, everyone. On a Friday day, let's get it. Let's don't mess up today. Let's don't mess up today. Let's don't make mistake. So, first of all, always the first things to do is always check if my account is the correct one selected and it's copy traded. Yes, it's copy traded. Hello, Mufti. We are opening very close to the closing of yesterday, and we can see that. Stocks, let's see how they're gonna open. Heat map is on the, where's my heat map here? Where is my heat map? I see. Heat map, only Nvidia's green, the rest is red, at least for the moment. Hello, Mufti, how are you? First, as well, let's check the stocks. Check the stocks for today. Sorry, let's check Nasdaq for today. I need to see the levels for today on Nasdaq. We open right now at which price we open there? 415. And as a levels, I have 18,009. 18,009. It's 200 points lower, so that's quite a lot. And then higher, I have first, I have the opening print level of yesterday at 791. Yes, and I have as well 616. Somewhere here. 1675, yeah. Let's see. Same as always, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nothing special, right? How is the situation right now? Look at market, always insane. Smaller ATR than usual. But for me, the insanity of the last days is that freaking that insider trading. Trump, during a conversation, said, look at him, he made $2.5 billion. Look at him, he made 800 million. Yo, man. Probably they made that amount of money because they knew that you were gonna post that things. And let's realize that there was a fake news the day before, but it was not really a fake news. It's that someone knew that they were gonna remove it. It came out, so the White House had to say, no, it's not true. So their insider traders could get in a position, and then afterwards they were like, oh yeah, it's official right now, 90 days pause. Boom. Market went to the sky and they made them billions. Absolutely insane from my point. So let's get it, guys. So I don't wanna, of course, overtrade. I don't want to do bullshit situation. Yeah, man, it's some funny shit. What is the average move of Nasdaq over the years? It's a freaking 8% or 9% move. And we saw that move in a freaking 8 minutes. Right? We see Nasdaq move years of move in a 8 minutes candle, 8 minutes candles. It's just insanity. Hey Paul, I hope you had a good trading session, Paul. So many things this morning. I didn't check your charts and your trading. Hope it went well. Mark, Nvidia coming back strong, lower there. Apple pushing, so I'm not gonna get in a position right now. Hello, Active Society. Wow, it's not why this YouTube is giving me such a problems in the last period. Telling me that it's not receiving enough data and stuff like that. I don't know. Let's go, Paul. Good job. Good job. And why it did go perfectly is because you have done the correct things, you executed like you wanted, and the P&L is just the outcome of all that. And even if it was red day, you would have said it was perfect because you've done your job as a trader. You've done your best, but the market sometimes does not pay off. Looking at this, because Apple is pushing, and I might look for longs. I'm just waiting to see if this Apple push is holding the market or this is fake and we come back shorting. But I'm glad I can watch you now. It went perfectly. Man, welcome, brother. Let's see what we can get today. Hopefully we can get a nice trading day. Be a chameleon. Adapt. That's my influencer sentence. Adapt. Okay, don't know there, guys. Do we have news as well today? I have to check news. Hello, Muhammad. Good morning. News today. Well, Friday. We had PPI before, but then we have a 10 a.m. customer sentiment. Okay, good to know. Looking, I have to put. Oh my God! I'm gonna. Okay. Trying to look if I can get something here. Yeah, you can say there are some news there at 10. I have to remember it today. Not sure. Hey, Reddy, what's up? Yeah. Is it your room? Yes, my room here in my apartment. The weather is good in these days. In Paraguay is perfect. I'm gonna grab a long there. Grabbing a long, getting this push of the market. Getting a random stop loss. What is it? Random stop loss for news. Let's see. Oh, that's some nice rejection there. Let's see. Market still good. Some bad wicks there. Bad wicks. Apple still holding there. Tesla still pushing. Looking at it. Hello, Abdel. Still good. Let me remove this one because I don't want to get stopped out because of a bad situation. Still good, guys. We're gonna keep holding this. Apple still pushing, Nvidia turning back highs. At least that's what it looks right now. Might call it out of it. Accept the loss. Such a bad candles, by the way. Did you see how the candles were moving? Super ugly. I'm gonna wait for a moment right now. Very bad candles. Now it's back pushing. Look at that. Back to my entry. Absolutely insane. I'll look into it if I like again the long. Microsoft pushing there. Now I'm long again. That was annoying. I got stopped out here. Ah, am I gonna get screwed by these longs, guys? I will still. Let's see. Come on, Nvidia pushing there. Google as well. Can we get a nice push? Long into resistance. I see that per market highs, you mean? Ay, ay, ay. Still holding there. Wow, that sucks. Closed it. That sucks. $200 loss on the main account. I got just getting stopped out in the first one was a pain. Yeah, I'm gonna wait now. Getting closer to the max loss. Max loss is $400. It's double than what I lost right now. This trade was okay. This stopped out was a bit of a mess, but overall it's okay. Cannot do better, I guess, for the moment. I'm getting chopped out right now, so I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait. How is the heat map right now? It's a mixed environment there. Mixed vibes. I see your point there. There is a few greens there. Nvidia, Tesla, MD. Now is pushing again. That's annoying. Because right now I'm getting stopped out in moves. Oh, right now Amazon is more clear. Can I have a good push? I can try again along. I'm gonna try again along. Amazon push was great. Gonna get for that one again. No worries, man. Mixed signal, I'm gonna try along again because of that Amazon push. And Nvidia as well. Apple is going for the break highs again. That's good. Nice push right now from the market. Apple still trying to push. Amazon giving us a push there. Come on, market. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Apple. I'm gonna take this home for the moment and we look for next. I'm gonna look at this again. Annoyed. Not annoyed. I'm not annoyed for the moment. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna look for another entry. That was a nice push. Again, I took it here. How many took? I took 50 points there. That's a lot of points I already took just from that little situation. I don't have a limit, Paul. I don't have a limit. I have a. I try to be more conscious of what I'm doing. So if I see that I'm like doing too many trades in shortened time, I try to be careful. Right now, I took already 3 trades in 50 minutes. Okay, let's calm down. Let's calm down. Let's calm down. I recovered $100 loss there. I mean, I could have done much better right now because my direction was right. So my direction was right. I got stopped out mostly bad here. This one was okay as I stopped out. This one was, I think, was worse. Here, let's see. This longs in the end was right more, and right now is pushing. Let's see. I still have 45 minutes of trading. Oh, look at that beauty right now. One good trade with adding position makes back all the profit and all the loss and makes profit. I have the 619 level on Nasdaq. It's not 1619. I'm gonna check what is the exact number. Does not matter that much, but it's 1675. Somewhere there. And right now, longs are amazing. Look at that. Look at these longs, man. Oh my god, these longs looks amazing. Might be the long day, guys. Right now, the stocks are flying. Sorry. And we have a gap above from the New York sessions here. We have a good space there to really run today. Looking for the next long. In 10 minutes we have as well the news. Maybe a pump before the dump on the news. I don't know, but when I look at the stocks right now, I see all of them pumping. So by looking at the stocks, they look all powerful and nice. But let's see how it evolves. Let's give myself a few minutes before I take the next trade. Someone else as well, Mohammed, came in the group today and was a crypto trader and is right now trying to trade some futures. He's in the group. It's the last one I helped in web chat, so you might check and chat with him if you want. He was a crypto guy. He is a crypto guy, but with platforms he's trading futures like Nasdaq and yes. Market still here, very nicely strong. Amazon breaking the flag there. Might look for a long again, guys. Ooh, that Tesla rejection. Ooh. We inspire you with the good discipline of trading, eh? Then when you're gonna trade with the platforms, trade the best as you can with futures, with good correct risk management. That's the most important things. That Tesla, my God, Tesla just came back with some nice candles there, but Amazon is pushing, Apple is holding, Nvidia coming back slightly, but let's see. We might get the rejection of the level here, 615 level. 615 level, it was, yeah, that was a rejection area. It's a bouncing area, then rejection as well here. So if you clear this area, at least we must really start to push as well. Look, futures is open with Asian session, London session. You don't need to trade. You don't need to trade only New York session. People make money, big money trading Asian and London session. Find a strategy that works for your time and keep repeating it. That's the only things I advise you, brother. You don't need to work during. You don't need to trade during a New York session. Google broke pre-market highs. I have it here. Oh yes, it did break the pre-market highs. Yeah, market. Yeah, it's good. Asian session is good. London session is good. You can get very good amount. And if the move is slightly smaller, just put one more contract, two more contracts in the micro contract, and it's all good. I'm adding the view up to my charts right now, but it's gonna take a little bit of time. Set as default. Okay, good. Taking a short here, interesting. Taking a short here. That is the first time that I see different. I see long than short than active Roller Society. That's very interesting. Tesla on the down, definitely on the bottom, but I like that everything is holding there. I might look for longs. Let's see how it goes. I'm looking for longs, to be honest, in my side. I'm gonna try a long there. Just like that, Apple is pushing strongly, and Google as well. Amazon too, right now. Get me a nice break here. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq, break. Break, break. That's nice. Okay. Can we get a nice break right now? Continuation higher. Okay, Quant Tower just freaking blocked there. I just need a more continuation here. I'm just trying to be the best as I can. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna wait for the news. 5 minutes. Don't be greedy. I cut it out in break even. I'm gonna wait for the news. Let me see if I have open position before that messed up. Maybe the shot right now of Active Restart is coming. He was right. Look at this. We might look at that rejection there. Good X. Yeah, I just didn't like that because it's kind of a big moment right now there with all the stocks on the highs and the resistance they have. So I was like, or it pushes strong because it's a big resistance, or is trying to fake out people. I mean, I don't know about crypto, but crypto is insane for my point. Crypto is insanity. Look at that, it's still holding, huh? I'm just gonna avoid. I still have 4 minutes for the news. Gonna let the news speak. But yeah, I don't know. For me, crypto is something I try to. Hey, guys, I'm gonna tell you a story. Okay, I'm gonna tell you a story of my stupidity. One day, my friend texted me and he told me, "Yo, man, do you remember 2 years ago we bought this crypto IPO and we forgot it?" And I was like, "What happened? Did it fly?" "Yes, man, it flew. You put $200. I put $200. Now it's like 2,500. I was like, "Yeah, let's go, man. Yeah, I want it out. And I got 9 Ethereum. And 9 Ethereum were $300 around that price at that time. And $300 1 month before the pump to $4,000. And I was like, I have 9 Ethereum. What I'm gonna do? Let's start trading them. And at that time, I started to trade, but I was not profitable, of course. And no risk management, no anything. I lost all of them. And 1 month after, they went to $4,000 each one. So I could have made like $38,000 in 1 month if I waited only 1 month. The funny thing is that if maybe I would have left that crypto undiscovered for 1 month more, probably I would have made anyway that amount of money. It's insanity. Guys, I need to close this. We moving in the room. 1 more minute and 45 seconds. No, don't trade anymore, Paul. When you're already, I think if you're good, happy, and you've done, you execute, you follow your rules, you're good. Watch with the mentality of being, I don't have to stress anymore. I've done my job as a trader. Tomorrow is later tonight, or tomorrow is my time again. Now I just watch people suffer. This honestly, this trade is the one that I should have made all the money. Get into my resistance here. Adding, okay, news guys. Oh no, not 1 minute more minute. Adding, this would have been the trade would have brought me to green on the day. Just just need to keep learning. Keep learning. We're done. Only $94 for the moment on the day, so that's not bad. The news is coming in 37 seconds, and we will look how the market evolves. And always, guys, welcome to Discord for the new people. Huh? Wait, Tomato, hope you're doing great, man. 18 seconds. Seven, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Quantower is lagging to me. Active Rosati, if you're in the short, maybe you're making it or not. I don't know what the heck. Okay, my Quantower is okay. Had some lags there. I'm gonna wait. I don't have to enter in a trade right away after news. Active Rosati is, I think, short. If he's still short. I'm gonna wait. Huh? No need to rush. I still have 30 minutes of trading. I'm gonna make some loot. Okay. I just want some like confirmation that the one direction is the one that is coming right now. Because yesterday, guys, we got here that where it started to be choppy. The short didn't take it, and then boom! Look at this beautiful short, guys. Yesterday, and some people maybe notice it, but yesterday, guys, we were at the 7% from the settlement price. So you think that the market should have halted, but it does not work like that. The market has to be, yes, below 7%, but for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, the moment it breaks 7%, the market has to be below that 7%, and then the market will be halted. So what happened here, it went down 7% for 1 minute. I agree with your pond, with your pond. I'm looking at the, ooh. I'm gonna get the short. I like that Tesla. Look at the Tesla making acceleration to the downside. Let's see. Tesla, don't screw me up. Tesla is making a beautiful red candles there. Come on, Amazon, sell off. That's the way to do it. I should start to do as well that. Okay, can we sell off more? That's the way. That's the way. Okay, breaking lower everywhere there. Hopefully we can make some nice closing candle lower. I will start to add. Give it the time it needs. Apple on the VWAP right now there. That's kind of holding on us, but we wait. Trying to be careful always, but right now, still on the short side. Rubbish market here. Let's see, for the moment, you're not the best. The Joker candle. I like that name. Looking into it. Might call it out if this bounce does not come back lower. Okay. Sell off right now. Amazon with that bullshit bounce from the 180s. Let's see. Apple still showing some weakness there. Tesla too. So I'm gonna give it the time. Gonna give it the time this time. Gonna give it the time this time. Come on, Apple. Sell off. Crazy moves. Yes. Today, right now. What the heck was that annoying bounce here of almost 100 points from that here. From here to here is 100 points. But that is the beauty of, we don't even realize it now, right now in this period. Come on, piece of shit of a market. I'm out. That's annoying. Out, out, out. This freak bounced. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That crazy good out. Good exit there, guys. Freaking good exit. I saved myself for much bigger loss there. Double loss. That's insane there. Look at what the fuck. I'm gonna wait to go long until I see continuation higher. But that was insane. Look at that. Freaking breaking the highs right now there. What the fuck? Horrible situation. This was short. It was quite of annoying short there. A bit maybe too late. Entering somewhere here would have saved me from it probably. Welcome everybody, and welcome as well to join the Discord. It's for free, and we just help each other as a family. As a family. Some shitty price action right now. Totally shitty price action. Yeah, to be honest, I'm just looking at the Apple right now to decide if I'm gonna get long with you or not. Nvidia as well pushing there. I'm gonna stab along there. Let's see. I like how these they're evolving to the highs. Stabbing along. Apple, give us this break higher so everything follows up. It's coming. Apple is breaking right now. It's doing it right now. Really, you know what the short here as well? I went against the VWAP of Apple I saw there. If we pop here on the highs, I'm gonna add. If it comes back down and I got stopped out, that's then that's even worse. That's gonna happen. Oh my god. What's that, guys, today? What's with the situation today? I'm calling myself out from this shit. I'm out. I take the loss, guys. Max loss on the day there. $5,000. That is free. Almost $400 on each account. I call myself out. I should have waited for Apple to break the highs before taking longs. And right now the shorts are there. Not good. I get back $5,000. That's unfortunately, but I'm gonna call myself out for the moment. Should have done better. I could have done better in this short for sure here. Cutting myself. What I could have done better is cutting myself my loss here before when I didn't like it anymore. But right now this thing looks going to the short side. But again, here it looked it was going to the short side. It pumped 250 points. Here it looked for to go high. It pumped back. It's a range day. That's how it's called. It's a freaking range day. I'm trying to short the bottom. It comes back. I try to buy the top. It comes back. It is what it is. Yeah, coming strike. Thank you, Nick. We keep it. We keep ourselves alive. I'm gonna take my TradeZella. I'm gonna take my AirTrader Pro. Take account 44. The recent orders. Export CV. Export as CV. Let's see. And today is 9/4/2025. And yeah, definitely today I could have done better. Today I could have done better in this trade here because the direction was right. I called myself a bit too early. This would have been the trade that gave me the profit of the day. Definitely sideways situations are bad for me, but I have to be strong to manage them the best as I can. Let's see, trading journal, trades. File upload. What the fuck? there was an error loading my data. Trying right now to freaking load the data in TradeZella. I think it did it. Yes, it did it. It did it. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you right now my weekly trade of this week, how I end up. So you're all catched up, and you know I'm honest with everything I do. I'm honest guy. Don't hide any shit. You can see the number of accounts. You can see every trade I take. I don't hide anything, and I don't show you only when I make money, but I always show you when I lose money. And right now we're losing money. Let me get you the file there. I cannot find my TradeZella there. What the freaking hell? Ah, yeah, I found it. What the fuck? So that's my TradeZella right now. 2 red days to closing the. Red day closing give back a lot of the profit I've done in the first 3 days. We're closing the week green anyway, $156. We just gave back from the peak here. We give a little bit of drawdown. That's mostly the problem, is when we give back drawdown available. But it's still fine, because there at account 44 we have still $2,000 of drawdown. Wow, okay. I was expecting worse. Okay, we're good. We're totally good. Yeah, so right now, back some profits. The profit factor just went to the shit right now with this red day. And yeah, we had two losing trade. No, one green one break even, and two losing one. In reality, freaking hell, we lost 4 trades and we won 1, and we are only down at $368. I'm gonna say that is a great win. Only things I think I could have done better is this trade here could have done be better. The entry somewhere here probably, and the short, and the loss would have been much smaller. The entry here definitely was a bit too much anticipating, because I was looking for Apple to break the highs. It did not. None of the stocks break the highs. So none of the stocks were really helping Nasdaq to push higher. So this one could have been avoided as well. So these last 2 trades were not the best trades I've done. This one was nice long. Take it again. And yeah, just need to improve. We keep improving. I mean, we're closing the week green. I would say it's still a win. Yeah, today was all fucked up, to be honest. And all the push were fake out here. Great situation right now. Back and forth makes your pocket empty for real, man. That resistance there was big, and especially taking that I think that long here especially was annoying as well. Taking a long when none of the stocks are really broke resistance, it was like kind of too much. In German you say Hin und her much die Taschen leer. Nice flight, you enjoying Paraguay? Yes, man. Let me see what can I do here to show you. I cannot show that much, I guess. Okay, before I show you some private things, let me close. I cannot show you everything, guys, because then it becomes too much private, right? But let me see if I can do that. I can please show you the view. Let me do that. Let me see if I can do that. In the same time, you can read yourself there. The moment I fix this. Hello, guys. And let's see if it's gonna work. I'm not connected. It's trying to connect now. Let's see if it does. It's trying to connect. I'm gonna give it the time. Connect, piece of crap. Piece of camera. It's trying to connect. Where is it? This is the other camera. Hello. And this is the other one that should connect. Only fun setup. I'm really trying to make you the connection, guys. Let me. I think it's gonna work now. Let's see. Where the heck it's going? It's coming, guys. It's coming. Okay. I don't know. It does not connect. Piece of crap. Nothing. I cannot do that. I'm sorry. I wanted to show you the. I wanted to show you the freaking things, but without. So I wanted to show you the view. The view is that one. We can zoom. Yes. Let's see. Let's move you to full cam. That's the view I have. What the heck? All is mirrored here. But yeah, that's the view on everything, and let's pick. Let's go back to trading situation. Oh, guys, the market is shorting here, huh? The market is shorting. Market is shorting there. The short right now makes more sense, I guess. Piece of crap. But I'm in my max loss. And I respect my max loss. Because I mean, I'm $40 from it. That means 20 points in Nasdaq. That means nothing. Unfortunately, that news did not crash the market when we went short, right? Look at that right now. We're breaking view up as well in Nasdaq. What I'm going to do is the view up in Apple hold us before. And for these longs, what a pain in the ass. Right now, what have made me a good bunch of money right now, shorting again here. Look at that. Already 200 points. That was all the profit and more by just this short. Look at that. But I cannot take it. I'm in my max loss. But this was already all the profit from this choppiness here. Look at that. Choppiness from all this way up. Pop, 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 pop. Getting chopped out like an idiot. Taking long, like, why did I take long here? Oh my God, why did I take long there? The freaking market, no stocks were breaking the highs. And I was just hoping for Nvidia to break the highs, Amazon continue breaking the highs. That's not the way I want to trade. No freaking hope. I won't just take when the breaks are already happening in the stocks, and there is good chance there But yeah, here was horrible. The levels as well on Nasdaq here showed it. There was a lot of resistance here. And I was like, my idea was, I was trying to anticipate this break, thinking, okay, if it's gonna break, it's gonna fly. And in the end, it did not break and it flew to the downside. And right now, I'm watching without taking actions. Too much anticipation, 100% I agree with that. This is my apartment. It costs $34 per night or $33 per night. Something like that. You can find cheaper, you can find more expensive. I go always around $30 to $35 per night. Good, Mukhtar. You did amazing to cut that short. That short was the best one, to be honest, today. Lessons learned, give back a lot of profit today, but on the max loss. Something that I'm learning is, yeah, I like, here I've done amazing. Here I could have hold it a bit more as well. The first trade here gave back a lot of profit than I should have, but it's okay. For the moment, we keep holding. And let me see as well. But Paul, like I told you, if you decide to be the trader you want to be in 1 year, you're gonna be in Bali. Man, so annoying, man. Mukart, losing that. The trading day today, it's okay. Guys, I'm gonna call it Friday. Like, you know, I'm the guy that preach discipline, and I'm gonna as well show it to you with my side. So I'm not gonna take any other trading, and I'm gonna keep my discipline on. It's a red day, we're gonna recover it. The week is green, we keep it like that, so it's great. And good job Nasdaq as well for your free new PAs. Very good job. And guys, see you Monday, and see you in Discord. I love you all. Thank you so much, guys. Always remember, AMSA will give you always the best discount in Apex. Right now is 50%, hopefully better soon, but that's the discount. And I love you all, guys. See you Monday. Have a great weekend.